It's no secret that OpenAI is working on developing its own hardware for chatgpt users, and details of its first product have just started getting leaked. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. A new report from Mark Gurman suggests a donut-shaped speaker that's likely to cost more than $300. It'll be around the size of a hockey puck and is designed to be carried around your home wherever you may need it. Previously, OpenAI's first hardware product was described as a screenless speaker that's a new type of home computer for the AI era. It's said to be able to do things you'd expect from a modern smart speaker, like controlling smart home devices and playing music. However, it will also be loaded with ChatGPT's AI smarts and is designed to become more proactive and personalized over time. That could allow it to anticipate what you need and work on tasks before you need them. One thing about the device that will set it apart from other smart speakers from Amazon, Google, and Apple is that it will reportedly include motorized parts that make it feel more alive than today's stationary speaker products. According to the report, OpenAI is considering launching the device in 2027 and expects it to be priced between $300 and $400. It reportedly also has plans to launch a full family of hardware products, but the donut-shaped speaker is expected to be its first. However, OpenAI is currently locked in a legal battle with Apple that might impact its hardware plans. Apple sued OpenAI in July, alleging that the AI giant stole its trade secrets. For its part, OpenAI denies the allegations and has filed a motion to dismiss the lawsuit. If it continues, the legal battle could last for years. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.